Hey guys, welcome back to Firewood on the Hill. My name is Matt. Today is a lovely Tuesday. It is hot, 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 y'all. I'm in the shade over here, and I'm still red and sweating. But anyways, we got a lot of work ahead of us, guys. When I tell you the tree service keeps dropping loads, they keep dropping loads. I've had 3 loads this week, and it's only Tuesday. I've moved a bunch out of the way, like I've been doing. I've even put a bunch of logs over here in my log stack, as well as put the little stuff over there. But at this point, I'm gonna have to do some cutting just so I can get stuff stacked nice and neatly to make more room. So today we're gonna do some sawing, so let's get to it. All right guys, so we're gonna knock out these big boys today. We're gonna get the 462 out with 25-inch bar and start taking down this stuff right here. As you can see, I've loaded more logs onto my pile over here, but the goal is to get all this right here cut up so I can get the splitter back behind it and set the splitter up so we can do some splitting. But I had a company reach out to me, guys. Their name is Yard Maris, and they have given me some gloves, some chainsaw gloves, and some chainsaw chaps. And I tell you what, guys, I am super impressed with these things. I'm gonna show you the cool things that I found out about them, and you could just tell that these were made with quality. So yeah, guys, I just want to show you these real quick because these make my Husqvarna chaps look like they didn't even try. I'm serious, these guys these have all the bells and whistles. So let me show you what we got. Guys, this is what I got right here. These are the Yard Maris technical. These are class A, so they wrap all the way around your leg. I'll tell you what, guys, first of all, I like that they offer colors. A lot of chainsaw chaps, they don't have any colors. It's either freaking brown or orange or some off the wall color, right? So I like that these actually look good. I don't feel like I'm just a big orange balloon or a big brown balloon out here. But anyways, this thing is super cool. It's got a belt extender. So I don't need mine extended, but this whole belt line right here pops off and it's extend these. And obviously for me, I had to shorten them, so it allowed me to shorten them. So that's really cool because, you know, when it comes to one size all things, it's hard to find the right size if you're in between sizes. Well, this allows you to get that right size. Compared to my Husqvarna, it has one more strap. I got an extra strap right here. My Husqvarnas also don't go all the way around. We have a nice little pocket here for wedges or just a chainsaw tool. So that's pretty cool. This thing velcros up and down. We also have another pocket here where you can put something. And what's cool is this right here opens up in case like you put anything in there that you can't get out with your hand. You can bring it down the bottom. That's pretty neat if you threw something in there that's really small that you can get to. But yeah, guys, these things are sweet. They look good, they feel good, and they fit good, right? They gave me these chaps, which I love. Like, I mean, these are 10 times better than my Husqvarna chaps, as well as they gave me these gloves right here. These are the chainsaw gloves where if you hit it with a chainsaw, it will protect your hands. I got the leather kind because I feel like leather will last a little bit longer than the other softer stuff, but these things are super comfortable. And one thing I can tell you about wintertime, guys, is I wear those blue like rubber gloves, and your hands get cold during the winter. These right here, I could tell, are much warmer than those, so these would definitely be a winter type glove, just for the purpose that it keeps my hands warm, right? So yeah, thank you, Yard Maris. Thank you so much for these. I can't wait to, well, I can't wait. I'm about to use them, so let's go. All right, guys, we got those 2 big logs cut up. This is gonna be a lot of wood, that's for sure. Look how big these pieces are. And I have a couple more back there to do. But we took that down with the 25-inch bar on the 462. If I was gonna redo it, I'd probably done the 35-inch since I have it. But we're gonna continue going since we're warmed up and ready to go. There's no reason to change the bar now. So let's get all this little stuff right here next. Guys, so we got all that bucked up. One thing that did happen to me, y'all, I was sawing, I got done sawing, I went to go saw another log, and the chainsaw wouldn't spin. I was giving it gas and it wouldn't spin. I was like, what the heck? So I was thinking, well, maybe the chain's too tight or whatever, or maybe it's gummed up or whatever. I took the chain off, and sure enough, it was the tip roller on the light bar that wasn't moving. Luckily, I was able to push it back and forth, rock it until I got everything out and loosened up, and it worked again. But I've never had that happen. I wonder if anyone else has that issues. Drop it down in the comments if y'all had that happen before. Like I said, I've had, you know, wood get stuck in there in between the chain and the bar and not let it spin, but I've never had just the tip stop spinning. So that's new for me. All right, guys, so what's next? So we got to get all the little stuff off these 2 big logs right here. We're gonna cut them up next. I have some logs back here that I hadn't messed with yet. I'm just still deciding what I want to do with them. They have lots of knots and bumps and just ugly, nasty stuff on them. I'm gonna cut them up and probably throw them in the burn pile. I figured I would rather just split nice wood than mess with that since I got so much of it. I know it's not good to waste wood, but honestly, if I put that on the wood fridge, I bet you I wouldn't get much usable wood out of it. So I got a little stuff off these 2 big logs and I throw them over there. I'm trying to make a path through here for the log splitter. This is a perfect example of what I'm talking about, guys. Let me know in the comments what y'all do with this. We got knot, big knot, and another knot. There's no telling what's on the bottom side. Probably a knot. Oh yeah, there's a knot right there. This, guys, I really don't see any purpose of cutting this up and trying to make it in firewood because it would be a dog to split. And if any of y'all ever try to split something that's super knotty, it never splits straight. It always splits in weird pieces. And in my opinion, it's not worth going through it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this boy up and throw it in the burn pit. How's that tractor make quick work of those big boys? I tell you what, I don't know what I do with that little thing now. All right, guys, it's getting dark on me, so I'm gonna call it quits. We got quite a bit done tonight, just for a weekday. Still got a couple more pieces right here, and then all this will be open for the splitter. Guys, this is what I mean by taking every 30 minutes, every hour, whatever you got to work on wood, if you can, because if you're like me and you're already backed up with wood, you gotta take every opportunity to make it work, and every little bit helps. Thank you for the Chaps Garden Maris. All these things are super comfortable, and like I said, they have the pockets and all the extras, and they look good. So that's all pluses. But yeah, guys, I am sweating like a dog. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe. We'll catch you next time.